Your skin's all smarter than that. Women, I hate to believe.
Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when you speak.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. I just came back from the gym and I decided to start a new vlog because I do have one vlog that's going to be up on the 25th, which is on Friday. Today is Wednesday the 23rd, right? So I just wanted to show you guys what I get up to after gym. I haven't taken a bath yet. I just want to make food and then I'm gonna eat and then take a bath and just relax, and then I'm gonna watch something after. So if you are new here, welcome my love. If you're new here, welcome my love, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family. And if you don't know who you're looking at and who you're watching, my name is Banele right? And yeah, and what I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna fill the storage sets that I showed you guys in my other video. I'm gonna fill them up, and then whichever one that's not filled up, that means I don't have that particular thing, right? So don't judge. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys whilst I do it, and yeah, and then I'm gonna make food, eat, and then just relax, and then take a bath and then relax. Today's workout for me was a bit intense. I went in hard, but anyways, we're still taking baby steps. I haven't like gotten into like heavy stuff or like intense workouts, but the machines, they showed me flames today. But yeah, we moved. We said we wanted to go to the gym. We are going to the gym, so we have to enjoy. And yeah, let me stop blabbering too much and show you guys what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please do, I'm begging you guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and yeah, subscribe again, please. Thank you.
Like sipping an overcan. We're far from where we started when things were getting harder. I'm trying to feel your pain. I know I'm pretty stubborn, but you're also pretty stubborn. I'd never talk about our next move, and it's getting old. We were so much younger when I met you, and we both know this is a bad one. 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 From sprinting to sleeping and watching the deep end, and all those kids know how to swim. And that's fine, yeah, that's fine, 'cause they don't know, oh, oh. No, they don't know, oh, oh. They don't know, yeah, yeah, they don't know how deep it goes. This is a bad one. 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 I'd never talk about our next move, and it's getting old. We were so much younger when I met you, and we both know this is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one. 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 Yeah, this is a bad one.
This one I got you with the job, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we do me get that. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feel, die for nothing. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feel, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. So anything when they do, they die to do one way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one fight, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, they can ride the boat, I no feel, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, they can ride the boat, I no feel. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.